So over here, if someone sends a message, then this happens. If someone were to send hi, then you can see that the chat box pops up. So sometimes you may be busy with things and you don't want all these notifications. In order to work around with that, you go over here on to more and then you go around into settings right here. So once you do that, you have the notification settings right here. So you can mute the notification for, let's say, for example, 2 hours, just like this. So now what happens is that the notifications are muted, and even if the other person sends a message right there, it won't just pop up right there. It's just muted out for you just like that. So even if they are sending, I'm sending a message to the other account, but there's no notification. But here you can go ahead and resume the notification right here, and then you can see all the messages out right here. So this is very helpful if you don't want to be disturbed for some reason. So you can go over here again, let's go to settings and then go on to notification. So you can mute it for certain hours or even for weeks, as you can see right here. And you can block out these sounds, just this sound. If you want to block out just this sound or the ring of incoming phone calls, but not the pop-up, then you can just disable these things right over there. And if I were to close this thing around, what will happen is that even if the other person sends in the message comes, but the sound does not come in. If the other person were to call, the call will come in, but you won't hear the ring. And that is how you can work around with the notification settings to not get disturbed in certain moments. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.